we can now extract tables right out of the box for custom doc types. So let me just give a quick demonstration. Let's go to AI models hub. Let's create our own custom doc type, and for this specific case, let's name it demo doc. The demo doc for now can be a bank statement. I'm just adding one of the sample bank statements, and let's set up the fields. Yeah, we can see that a lot of fields were auto extracted. Not all of them are relevant. I'll just delete these ones. Yeah, let this be, and let's also add transaction table, transactions, and it will be of type table, and the items in transactions. Let me read transactions, and the items are date, columns are date, description, credit, debit, and yeah, let's also add balance. Okay. So yeah, as I'll just want to reiterate, this is a custom doc type, and we defined custom fields here. This is not the US bank statement extractor that we have. So let me just save and extract. And now what would happen is the AI assist would try to extract data for the settings that we have set up. So no additional settings required. This is it. And after the document gets processed, let's see. The document just got processed. Let's see the extractions. As we can see, it extracted all the key value pairs. This was always there. This was already added to our product. We were extracting key value pairs, but now if you see, we are also extracting tables. And yeah, there's a bit of a spelling mistake, but still it could extract properly. So yeah, all the tables got extracted without no setup at all. Thank you.